Hey everybody, I made it to Australia and we had a good nap. When I got to immigration, all they wanted to know what I did for a living. I told them I was a missionary. The lady said okay. She checked my bag and then she took my shoes and disinfected them because I had been to Monkey Forest. So now I'm in Adelaide. Had to wait for the kids to leave so I could get it done because some lady came up to me telling me not to videotape the kids, and I'm like, then I have to wait for the kids to go just so I can play? Playgrounds are made for 45-year-old adults. Come on, right? Okay, so anyway, I'll be preaching here in Adelaide with a team tonight, a team tomorrow. Maybe Sunday we'll go rebuke some lukewarm, seeker-sensitive church. And then Elton John is here with his sodomy on Monday in Adelaide. So we will be preaching at that. And I will be in Australia for 33 days. I'm so excited. So I was very happy my hotel let me in at 8 o'clock today. 8 o'clock. You know, normally check-in is at 2 p.m. and I had an overnight flight. I left at about 11 p.m. from Indonesia. 4.5 hours later, I was here. And then, man, I was so tired. I did not sleep good on the plane. So I was like, God, please let me get an early check-in, please. So, praise God, I did. And I gotta find my key. Yeah, so, whew, here we go.